Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to erase and reset your iPhone without losing the eSIM. Now, if you head into the settings app of your iPhone and tap on cellular here, you can see I have an eSIM. And let's say I wanted to erase everything, but keep this eSIM on this iPhone. The first thing we're going to do is go back out here and tap on your name at the very top. After you've tapped on your name, you can see midway down is iCloud. Let's just tap on where it says iCloud and then iCloud Backup. Now, when you do erase everything, keep in mind, I would highly recommend backing everything up so that if you want to get everything back, you can do so. So just tap on Backup now and wait till it runs through that process. After you've done that, let's go through the process of factory resetting this iPhone, but keeping the eSIM. So at the very beginning of your settings, we're going to tap on where it says General. And now from here, let's scroll down to the bottom and you can see Transfer or Reset iPhone. Let's tap on that. And now you can see Erase all content and settings. However, it will give you the ability to choose to keep the eSIM. So let's tap on that. And it will say, all right, it's going to erase everything, including your apps, your Apple account, Find My, eSIM, etc. However, if I hit continue, now it will say, are you sure you want to erase all this data? And do you want to either keep the eSIM and erase the data or delete the eSIM? In this case, we want to choose keep eSIM and delete the data. From here, all we're going to do is enter in the passcode that we use to unlock the iPhone, and it will go through the process of factory resetting this, but only the eSIM will still be on this iPhone. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.